Hi, and welcome to my channel. Are you frustrated by fading gray eyebrows that detract from your appearance, but you don't want to spend the time or money going to an expensive salon? Are you sick of fussing with your eyebrow color every day during your makeup routine? If you've asked yourself one or both of these questions like I have, stay right here. I'm going to show you how to tint your eyebrows yourself. It's fast, easy, and really not very expensive. First, a word about eyebrows. It's very important to have great looking brows because they frame your face and, in my view, provide the foundation for a successful makeup routine. If your eyebrows are graying, it ages your look unnecessarily. And I have a whole other video with my brow guy's professional advice on all the steps in eyebrow care, like trimming, tweezing, and tinting. And I'll include a link near the end of this video. Several viewers of that video suggested the product I'm going to demonstrate today. It's called Just for Men Mustache and Beard. Prior to trying this product, I'd not had a professional brow tint for more than 2 months. And as you can see, I had a mix of my natural dark brown brows plus blonde and these very stiff, bristly gray-brown hairs. Kind of hard to see in these images, but they're there. I would like to have a uniform color that makes my brows appear fuller and that I don't have to apply color to every day. This is the product. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? The first thing I'm gonna do is put on this little smock to protect my clothes and my skin. And I'm also going to wear these surgical gloves to protect my skin from, I don't want to dye my skin in the process. So that's the first step, and then we're going to mix the dye next. There are two parts to this. There's the color base and then the color developer. So what I'm going to do is open each one of these and put in an equal amount of each. And since my eyebrows aren't very much, they're small, I'm not going to use the whole thing so that I'll have some left over for the next time. Now I'll put in the color developer. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. That's roughly equal, I would say. And then I'm going to, I think I'm just going to mix them with the opposite end of the brush here and just get that all mixed up really, really thoroughly. I'm ready. Here we go. First, make sure I don't have any lotion or moisturizer on my eyebrows because I want the product to stay. So I'm using just a makeup remover wipe to just make sure that the area around the brows is completely devoid of any product. Let's put some of this stuff on my brows and see how we do. I'm gonna be pretty careful. I'm gonna go a little bit outside the immediate brow because I can always remove the hairs that are kind of extraneous afterwards. But I wanna make sure I really get the color in there. It looks kind of light to me. I hope that this blonde is dark enough. I just didn't wanna go too dark. I've had them dark before and I kind of like that, but I'm gonna try going a little lighter. I just want consistent color and I wanna cover the grays and I wanna save myself the time in the morning. I just wanna have my brows looking good and just with minimal touch up. So let's hope that this product lives up to the recommendations that I got from viewers of my video about my eyebrow treatments. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm going to wait for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna remove the product and see what we're left with. I actually let this go for 8 minutes because I have some really stubborn grays in there and the directions did say it could go for up to 10 minutes. So now I am going to take the dye off with, remove it from the skin basically because it's supposed to soak into the hair. And I might have to wait a couple days to get everything off my skin, but I'm essentially doing the same exact thing that the professional did for me, my professional brow guy. And one of the things he did is he really rubbed all the way, all directions. And the reason is that you want to get this stuff off your skin because it can be kind of irritating to the skin if you're not careful. So I hope that this is going to be a dark enough color to keep me out of having to pay attention to the color of my brows all the time when I'm doing my makeup routine. Let's see how it turned out. Gonna have to let the red calm down a little because I can't really tell right now. Let's wait a little bit and I'll come back and let you know how it turns out. The verdict is in. I love this product. It works exactly as I'd hoped. The grays are gone. And I'm quite happy with the color I chose, which is a bit darker than my hair. Now all I have to do is a little brushing to put those brow hairs in place and my brows are ready for the day. Here is the thing. Tinting your brows at home is super easy. The whole process takes less than 15 minutes. The product only costs $11 on Amazon, and the color is going to last you 6 weeks or so. So if you've been thinking about tinting your brows, I think this product is really worth a try. They provide clear instructions about usage of the product, and they give you everything you need, including gloves. So I'd say give it a go. If you'd like to learn more about brow care, check out this video above that I mentioned earlier. Here on this channel, Thriving Gracefully, I hope to inspire you to live vibrantly and put your best foot forward in this exciting phase of life when we have more freedom to be who we are, to take on life with passion and purpose, to thrive. Please join me by subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and adding your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.